Hey Scott, Spencer from Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough. Wanted to put together a quick video tour of an available vehicle here. I wanted to show you 2022 GLE 350 Selenite Gray AMG line, 21-inch multi-spoke wheels, Macchiato beige interior. It's a little bit of a rainy day here, but I figured I'd walk around the car, talk about some of the features. Now, this is not a driver's assistance package vehicle, so we are missing that option, but is well equipped otherwise. Love that AMG line. We got LED headlights, diamond studded grille, nice chrome work in the front bumpers. I like the chrome with the Selenite Gray. It's a nice combination. Illuminated running boards, turn indicators, blind spot in our door mirrors. Really nice look to it. Painted rear fenders. LED taillights in the rear, 4MATIC and GLE 350 badging. We do have a factory trailer hitch as well. Parking sensors, 360 camera, Burmeister surround sound, things like navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, active braking, all standard features in this model. So you get a lot of safety features even without the driver's assistance package. So I wanted to just put this together and kind of show you a quick video tour of this model, see what you think. If it's something you're interested in, I'm happy to get you some more information, pricing, everything we can discuss. Let me know. Thanks for watching, Scott. Hope you enjoyed.